Okay, this is Birdwatch with Luke 13C in it and this little weirdo here. Yeah, very nice. Yes, we're meant to be looking for rabbits. I was looking for rabbits earlier to put on YouTube, but I know it sounds dumb and I'm crazy and I'm stupid.
Can I say something here?
No, you can't. That's not a word. That's a doing word. Pigeon! Fuck you, pigeon!
Fuck you, pigeon!
Now look, you fucking spastic. Yes, I know you're playing dead and I'll take a shit on you. Oh, look at that person. Oh,
fuck you!
I know a game. Can we play hide and seek?
Fuck you, bitch! Ah! Piece of you, wasn't it?
If you can see, it's an angry man behind me. There's a mad cow behind me. Oh, help me. There's meant to be a bird watch. Hell no. Very, very suspicious. He's there! He's there! Oh, he spotted me! Take a shit somewhere else, man. I go in peace. I go in peace. Okay, it's ended. Why don't you just pick up some shit and eat it?
What he should do, it's coming up now. Beautiful quality piece again. And we'll start